Griswold v. Connecticut, 1965, and its effects. Two Connecticut statutes provided that any person who gave information or assistance to couples seeking contraceptives were to face a fine or imprisonment.
Estelle T. Griswold, an executive with the Connecticut Planned Parenthood League, was arrested for giving such information even though it was to married couples. Both were convicted and fined $100. The Connecticut State Appellate Courts upheld the convictions and appealed to the Supreme Court on the grounds that the statutes violated the 14th Amendment. The Supreme Court recognized that the appellants had standing to raise the issue of the constitutional rights of married couples since they had a professional relationship with such people.
The court reasoned that although it is loath to determine the need for state laws affecting social and economic conditions, these statutes directly affected sexual relations between a married couple and the role of a physician in the medical aspects of such a relationship. This relationship is protected from intrusion by the government under the theory of right to privacy. This right, while not specifically guaranteed by the Constitution, exists because it may be reasonably constructed from certain amendments contained in the Bill of Rights.
The court created the right to privacy from the penumbras of specific rights.
The statutory regulation of a marital relationship by the state was an invasion of the constitutional right of a married couple to privacy in such a relationship that American law has historically held sacred.
The means by which the state chose to regulate contraceptives, by outlawing their use rather than their sale and manufacture, was clearly unrelated to its goal and would detrimentally affect the marital relationship. Because of the invalidity of such law, the Supreme Court reversed the judgments of the state trial and appellate courts and the convictions of the appellates.
48 years since birth control was legalized for married couples, profound and beneficial social changes have occurred, mainly because of a woman's relatively new ability to control her fertility.
Since 1965, there has been a dramatic decline in unwanted births, the result of pregnancies that women either wanted not at the time they were conceived, nor at any time in the future. Such a decline is particularly welcome because unwanted births are associated with delayed access to prenatal care and increased child abuse and neglect.